Hey everyone, it's Annette. So I'm going to be doing a different type of a video. This is going to be a haul video from Etsy. I had purchased some candles and a few items from JEBeautyByJenn on Etsy. She is also known as the Jen and Elizabeth Show here on YouTube. So I have received the 10-ounce jar candle. I received this cute little set over here, and then I had also received the homemade soap. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on the tablet. So I will go ahead and I will link her information in the description box. So the first thing that I received is the 10-ounce candle jar. This is actually quite a big jar. So this is very, very nice. It smells so good. Like literally, I wish you guys could smell it. This makes me hungry. Like this makes me so hungry. And so here's the scent that I had received it in. And this jar is so cute. It's like iridescent-y. It is so, so pretty. And I love the lid. So anyways, so that's one of the items. Then the other item is the soap. This smells so good. And I'm not the type to really purchase scented, like really scented items. I get migraines very easily. And when I had received these, I was so surprised that they have not given me a headache or a migraine, but it is not giving me a migraine. So thank you so much, Jen. I really appreciate that. But these smell so good. So I just have these sitting out in my nail studio just because they smell so good and they're so cute. And then this is that set of 3. Look at how stinking cute these are. Oh my gosh. I was so happy when I seen these. I was just like, I am in love with these. These are so cute. Look at the detail in the roses. I mean, it is so pretty. I love the color. And I ordered the floral scent, and they smell so good. I'm not going to burn them because they are too cute to burn. But they are going to be setting up in my nail studio. So when I do a nail studio tour, you guys will see these out and setting around. But I just wanted to come on. I wanted to share these with you guys. And when I had seen that she had opened up an Etsy shop, I wanted to go over there and show my support. So anyways, thank you so much, Jen. I really appreciate it. I love everything. So this is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go over to Jen's Etsy store and check it out. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. These smell so, so good. I can't stop smelling them. This one literally makes me hungry. I cannot open it up right now because I'm already hungry. Anyways, I just wanted to show some support to Jen. And like I said before, I will leave all of Jen's information in the description box. And I will go ahead and try to leave a link to her Etsy shop. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.